In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Perplexity AI for assignments. So if you're on an assignment and you want to solve it, what you can do is simply upload it directly onto the platform using this. You can see we have this pin option, and we can use this to simply upload our file here, right? So you can see we have different sources. We have Word to basically search online sources, and we have this files option to search it using our search option here. So pretty easy, right? So what we need to do is simply upload our assignment here. You can upload the PDF whatsoever is gonna be your assignment, and once you do, you can see it is nicely going to be uploaded, whether it is a PDF file, document file, or whatsoever. And then you can type in here, solve this please, and hit enter. It is going to be using all of that, so you can see how nicely it's solved. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.